Hello, my friends. Today we are talking about decluttering, and the title of this video is Don't Clean, Declutter. And that's the truth. I don't want you to clean until you've decluttered. Now, in the plan that I teach you, which is my version of the FlyLady plan, we declutter before we clean. In order to keep things looking nice, we do a minimal clean once a week called a weekly home blessing hour. It's 1 hour. It's a quick thing. We change the sheets, we dust, we vacuum, we mop, we empty the garbage cans, and we wipe the spots off the glass. And there's another video about that altogether. But today, I want to talk about decluttering and not cleaning. So when it's time to go into your bedroom, which is what we're doing this week, the bedroom, and declutter, I want you to declutter. And you say, oh no, but it's so dirty, I want to clean it. No, you can't clean it because there's clutter everywhere. Get the clutter gone first, and not the obvious clutter. I want you to start with the hidden clutter. What's in the dresser drawers? What's in the bins in the closet? What's in the closet itself? Let's get all that decluttered first, so there's room in your side table, in your dresser, in the chest of drawers, in the closet bins, on the shelves, to put things that you really use and really love and really need and really want. That stuff that's just sitting in there taking up space, you don't really love, need, use, or want. It needs to be given away. Clutter is not innocent. Clutter will steal your joy. So we're not going to have clutter. We're going to get rid of clutter, the thing you've been wanting to do all this time, but you keep being stymied by stopping, straightening up stuff and cleaning little things and just kind of working in circles and spinning your wheels in the mud. So stop that now and start decluttering. How do we declutter? We declutter in 3 stages. We have throw away, put away, give away. So when you go into an area of your room, you can't say, oh, I'm going to clean this whole bedroom and the bathroom and the closet. That's too much. We're going to clean an area about the size of a banker's box, depending on what it is. If it's one solid piece that needs to move out like a big suitcase and it's give away or throw away, then obviously we're going to do more than that. But if there's a bunch of little things about the size of a banker's box, you're going to go through it in about 15 minutes of really using your brain the way it's designed. It's a computer. It works in nanoseconds. You're going to make hard decisions. You can do hard things. This is not for the faint of heart. If you want your bedroom to be beautiful, to be a place where you can go and relax, to be a place of respite for you, a place to have peace, a place that gives you energy, then you have to get rid of the junk that's sitting in there stealing all that peace. So we do 3 things. We have a box, a bag, and a basket. The bag is a big old green garbage bag if you have lots of garbage, and that's what your trash goes in, or those things that you find that you're having a hard time throwing away. You've been hanging on them for a long time, hanging on to them for a long time. Maybe that thing cost a lot of money. Maybe that thing would be easy to fix if you had the right tools and the right talent. But for 12 years, it's been sitting in the corner in your bedroom. It's time. If it's worth it, you can donate it. But more than likely, people don't want they don't want your broken junk. They want it to be thrown away. So put it in the garbage bag. If it is birthday cards that people sent you over the years and they say, happy birthday, we love you, kiss them and put them in the garbage can. If it's a birthday card from your deceased grandfather when you turn 7 or when you turn 21 or some other thing in your life, and it says, Harriet, you are the most wonderful girl in the world. I love you so much, and I am so proud to be your grandfather. Maybe that one you want to keep, in your little special box, a few things, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. But you cannot keep just generic things for birthday cards, just as an example. Same with Christmas cards. Pictures of people that you don't really know, like the kinds that come in the Christmas cards with their whole family, and it's 12 years now and you don't know who those people are anymore, or you're not in touch with those people anymore. Or I'll tell you the truth, when I go through my cards, Christmas cards, and I know this is kind of off the subject, but it'll give you an idea of the things you have to do, the things that are hard that you can do. And I get my children send me a picture of their family on their card. Now that's people I love, know, want to be around. But that is a Christmas picture that says Merry Christmas on it. I don't want to save that. If I want a picture of that same family picture, my children will give me one of those, and I can put them on in a frame on my credenza or whatever. I don't need to save this Christmas card. So even though I love them with all of my heart, put it in the garbage. So you can imagine if I can do that, I can throw away friends' pictures of their grandchildren. It means a lot that they send it to me. I'm happy to see them. I'm happy to see my friends, their children, their grandchildren, but it's time to throw it away because that is clutter that's stealing my joy. It's just one little bit of all the clutter, right? So it has to go. So the trash goes in the garbage. When you're done getting all the garbage at the end of your 15-minute declutter series, tie a knot in that bag, take it out to the big garbage can, open the garbage can, move something out of the way, drop it in there, drop that other thing back on it, and shut the lid because you want to prevent you or anyone in your household from saying, oh, you're throwing that away? Oh, no, no, no. Or you might second guess yourself. Let that go. The box is for giveaway. Those are things that people would buy in the Goodwill. And that if you were in the Goodwill, would you say, if you saw this and it was something you needed, would you say, oh, I'm going to buy this? Or would you just say, this is beat up looking. I don't want that. Pass it by, right? But if it looks nice and it's worthy, then bless somebody with it. Put it in the giveaway box. If not, it goes in the trash. When you're done at the end of your 15 minutes and you throw away the trash, you're going to take the giveaway box to the back of the car and put it in there. So when you're running your errands this week, you can swing by the Goodwill and get that out of your car. Don't leave it sitting by the front door or in the bedroom. Put it in the vehicle and cover it with a beach towel or a lid or something because, again, you don't want to second guess yourself and you don't want your family seeing it and saying, oh, no, Mom. Oh, honey, you're not throwing this away. No, it needs to go. It needs to go because you only have so much room in your home and you don't want to store things that you don't use or trash. So those are two things. The third thing is the put away. That's a basket, like a laundry basket. Things that don't belong in the space where you are standing. It could belong in the same room. It could belong in the bedroom. But I don't want you running across the room to find a place to put it, running back. Your 15 minutes are going to be gone and you'll get nothing done. Imaginary staple your foot to the floor. Have your box in your basket, and put your put away in the basket, whether it goes to in the kitchen, in your bathroom, in the other corner of your room, in your closet, in your child's room. It goes in that basket. When the 15 minutes is up, ding, garbage to the garbage can. Put away, give away to the back of the car. Put away, now you're going to complete the process and walk around the house putting things where they belong. If they don't have a home and there's no room, like in your bedroom when you're decluttering and you haven't gotten to the point where you have room to put these things that you love, then you have to put it in the corner of that room. And then again, when you declutter the next day, maybe you'll make some room for it, maybe not. It may take you all year to get your whole house decluttered. And that's okay. You are not a loser if that's happening. You're a winner and you're a brave person and you can do hard things. It might not take you that long. It depends on what state you're at. I mentor people and I've mentored people for 8 years. Some take a year. Some take a little longer. Some take a little less. Some people take 2 weeks. It depends on the state of your home. 2 weeks won't establish a new habit, however. It takes longer than that. It takes 90 days for a new habit of decluttering and of keeping things picked up. So declutter. Declutter. When you do your weekly home blessing hour, you can hit that area with a vacuum real quick, right? But you're not going to, you're not going to do all that. No. Declutter, don't clean, or don't clean, declutter. At some point, you're not going to have any more clutter in your bedroom or your living room or your kitchen or wherever you're decluttering, and you'll be able to deep clean, really get it clean. And we do that by zone, and I'll talk more about that. But today it's all about don't clean, declutter. I hope this comes across. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I hope that you take me seriously. I hope that this advice isn't rejected by you, but instead embraced, and that you change your life by doing hard things, because you can. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.